Hello everyone, it's Joe from OnePageZen.com, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you real quickly how to configure free auto-renewing SSL certificates for your WordPress website on Google Cloud. Now this tutorial is for the click to deploy version of WordPress on Google Cloud. If you're using the Bitnami version of WordPress on Google Cloud, check the description of this video for the link to that tutorial. So let's get started. The first step in this tutorial is to head on over to your Google Cloud Platform account. In the left navigation menu, go to your compute engine, then to your VM instances, and then connect to the instance that's running your WordPress website. All right, so now that we're connected to our instance, I'm going to copy and paste the command to install certbot. And what certbot is it's the client that we will use to issue our free Let's Encrypt SSL certificates. So I'm going to paste this command, and all of these commands are available at this tutorial's page at onepagezen.com. Check that out in the description to this video. So I pasted the command, and I'm going to press enter. All right, so we just installed certbot. Now the next command that I'm going to run is the command to generate the certificates. So I'm going to paste that command, and let's take a look at this command here. Notice that I have both versions of my domain listed in this command. I have onepagezen.com and www.onepagezen.com. So remember to replace onepagezen.com with your own domain name when you run this certificate issuing command. So I'm going to press enter. Y, enter. And enter my email address, opzviral@gmail.com, and press enter. Agree, and I'm going to do no. Press enter. All right, perfect. The certificates have been issued successfully. All right, so now the next step in this tutorial is to configure our SSL certificates. So I'm going to paste this command, and this command is going to open up our default SSL.conf file for editing. So I'm going to press enter. And now that we are in our default SSL.conf file, I'm going to move my cursor right below the document line here. So right below this line, and I'm going to copy and paste the segment of code from the tutorials page here. So I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to scroll down now, just using my down arrow key. And here you can see we have two snake oil certificates. Basically, these are just placeholder certificates. And what we're going to do is comment them out by putting a hashtag to the left of them. All right, I'm going to add another space there. And now on this tutorials page, I'm going to copy and paste the certificate file paths. So there's 3 of them. I'm going to paste them. And notice here that the certificate file paths are for onepagezen.com. So make sure that you replace onepagezen.com with your own domain name when you paste these 3 lines without the www in front. That's important. After you've done that, I'm going to do Control X, then press Y, then press enter. All right, so now I'm going to clear my screen here. I'm just going to type in clear and press enter. Now I've cleared up a little space. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to configure my WordPress.conf file. And this is to force the website to only serve the HTTPS secure version of the website. So to do that, I'm going to copy and paste this command. which is going to open the WordPress.conf file. So after I paste it, I'm going to press enter. And notice here there's already 3 lines of code in the file. So you can either delete these 3 lines, or you can put a hashtag to the left of them. It makes no difference. And press enter. Now I got a little space here. And I'm going to copy the virtual host configuration lines from this tutorials page. So I just copied them, and I'm going to paste them into the file. Now what you need to do, the only edit you need to make is to change OnePageZen and change it to your own domain name. So in each 3 of these lines, make sure you replace OnePageZen.com with your own domain name. So once you've done that, do Control X, then Y, then press enter. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to paste 3 separate commands. And the first command here is going to enable our default SSL.conf file configuration that we configured earlier. So I just pasted this line. I'm going to press enter. Now the next line I'm going to copy and paste is going to enable the SSL module so that our website can be served with SSL. I'm going to press enter. And the last command here is to restart our Apache server. So I'm going to paste this restart command, press enter. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my website. So here's my website, OnePageZen.com, and you can see it's showing not secure. What I'm going to do is add https:// and press enter. And let's see, I'm going to add WP admin to take us to the WordPress admin page. All right, so from here I am going to log into my WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to enter my username, opzviral@gmail.com, paste my password, and log in. All right, I'm going to go to Settings, then General, and I'm going to change my site URLs to HTTPS. So I'm just going to add an S, and on this line, I'm going to add another S, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then click that Save Changes button. And it's going to ask me to log in again, opzviral@gmail.com, enter my password, click Login. Perfect, so that's configured properly. Now you can see that our website is configured with SSL and it's working correctly. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to configure our SSL certificates to automatically renew. So to do that, let's go back to our terminal. And I'm going to copy and paste this command, which is going to move our certbot-auto client into the Let's Encrypt directory. So I just copied this command and I'm going to paste it and press enter. Great, so now that certbot-auto has been moved, I'm going to copy and paste this cron tab command, press enter, then press 1, and then press enter again, and use the down arrow key to go to the bottom of this cron tab file. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the AutoRenew script. So I'm just going to paste it. And what this is going to do is it's going to check for renewals 1 time per week. And if our certificate is due to expire, it's going to automatically renew the certificate. So let's save this file, Control X, Y, and then press enter. And lastly, let's restart our Apache server again. Sudo service apache2 restart. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out OnePageZen.com for many other great WordPress on Google Cloud tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching.